Good day, everyone. My name is Justin Pio, and in this video, I will be sharing my reflection on topic of cybersecurity awareness. In today's digital age, technology plays a major role in our daily lives, from online classes, social media, online banking, and even shopping. However, along with the benefits of technology comes serious, especially cybercrimes and cyber attacks. In this presentation, I will discuss what cybercrimes and what cyber attacks are, the example, the future demand for cybersecurity professionals, my personal interest in cybersecurity, and my key takeaways from this topic. What is cyber? Cybercrime refers to illegal activities that use computers, mobile devices, or the internet as a tool or target. These crimes are usually committed to steal information, money, or to cause harm to individuals, organizations, or governments. These are examples of cybercrimes. Number one, hacking. Unauthorized access to computer systems or accounts. Number two, phishing. Tricking users into giving personal information through fake emails or messages. Number three, identity theft. Stealing someone's personal information should pretend to be them. Number four, online scams. Fraudulent schemes such as fake online stores or investment scams. Number five, cyberbullying. Harassing or threatening individuals online. Number six, credit card fraud. Using stolen credit card details for illegal purchases. Number seven, malware distribution. Spreading harmful software like viruses and spyware. Number eight, ransom, ransomware attacks. Looking files and demanding payments to store access. Number nine, data breaches. Stealing confidential information from companies or institutions. Number 10, piracy. Illegal downloading or sharing of copyrighted software, movies, or music. Cybercrime continues to grow because many people are unaware of how vulnerable they are from that. Next is, what is cyber attack? Cyber attack is a deliberate attempt to damage, disrupt, or gain unauthorized access to a computer system, network, or data. Unlike cybercrime, which focuses on illegal acts, cyber attacks focus more cyber attacks focus more on the use of attack systems. Example of cyber attacks: phishing attacks, fake emails early that still level revenge. Number two, malware attacks. Software designed to damage the spy on systems. Number three, ransomware attacks. Attackers can encrypt files and demand ransom money. Number four, denial of service. Denial of service attacks. Overloading overloading a system to make it unavailable. Number five, distributed denial of service attacks. Multiple systems attacking one target. Number six, man-on-the-minute attacks. Hackers secretly intercept communications. Number 7, SQL injection. Interesting malicious code into databases through websites. Number 8, password attacks. Guessing or cracking weak passwords. Number 9, social engineering attacks. Manipulating people into giving confidential information. And number 10, zero-day attacks. Exploiting unknown software vulnerabilities. These attacks can cause financial loss, privacy, privacy ba yun? These attacks can cause financial loss, privacy violations, and damage to reputation. Next, will cybersecurity professionals be relevant and bring demand in the future? Yes, cybersecurity professional will definitely be relevant and in demand in the future. As technology continues, as technology continues to advance, cyber threats are also becoming more sophisticated. Business, government, schools, and even individuals rely heavily on digital systems, which makes cybersecurity extremely important. With the rise of online transactions, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, IoT, the need for skilled cybersecurity experts will continue to grow. These professionals help protect data, prevent cyber attacks, and ensure the safety of digital systems. Because of this, cybersecurity is considered one of the most stable and high-demand careers worldwide. Next is, am I interested in pursuing a career in cybersecurity? And why? Yes, I am interested in pursuing a career in cybersecurity. One reason is because cybersecurity is challenging in meaningful field. It allows professionals to protect people and organizations from serious threats. Another reason is the job stability and career growth, since cybersecurity skills are highly valuable. Additionally, I am interested in technology and problem solving, and cybersecurity combines both and combines. Additionally, I am I am interested in technology and problem solving and cybersecurity. Additionally, I am interested in technology and problem solving, and cybersecurity combines both. Being able to defend systems and help prevent cyber crimes, something I find rewarding. My takeaways. Last is my takeaways insights to awareness. My main takeaway from this topic is that cybersecurity awareness is everyone's responsibility. We should not rely only on experts to protect us. Simple action like Simple actions like using a strong password, avoiding suspicious links, updating software regularly, being cautious can already reduce the risk of cyber threats. This topic taught me that cyber threats are real and very profound. It's the first step to staying safe in the digital world. My conclusion for cyber crimes and cyber attacks are serious issues in today's digital society. Cybersecurity professionals play a vital role in protecting our information and systems, and their reporters will only continue to grow in the future. Cybersecurity awareness helps us become responsible digital citizens by understanding these trends and safe online behavior. We can protect ourselves and others. And that's all. Thank you for watching. And I hope this presentation helped you understand the importance of cybersecurity awareness.